What should we do?
I don't know. No, come over here, Stephanie. Stephanie, come over here. Nope. We have a Stephanie. Yeah.
It's all three of us now.
Okay. Why am I in the
Honestly,
middle?
we're pretty bored if we're doing this again.
Yeah. Hey, Casey.
Casey!
Casey.
Casey!
Bad jellyfish. Casey.
Say hi to the camera!
Hi, Casey. Okay.
Earthquake.
Yeah.
I don't think we got anything else to do. What are you guys doing?
Being sugar high children. Phone. It's not my phone.
It's an iPod.
It's a phone.
And pretty much this is
It's a pen.
no.
It's a pen.
It's a red pen.
It's a
Good one.
pencil that's made from Japan.
Oh yeah? It's a Crayola marker.
This is made from Japan. It's much superior.
This is made in America.
This is lip gloss. Shiny Licious.
Shiny Licious.
I love Shiny Licious.